Hey guys, the Learning Tiger here, and in this HTML tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys about emphasis. Now, emphasis is basically, it has like, four phrasing elements. Sorry, that can be used to, emphasize text within a body of a document. So there are four phrasing elements. Now, they are, first one, there are the B tags, the I tags, the strong tag. Sorry. The EM and the EM tags. Now, the B tags. Now, it is a enhanced without conveying any extra importance. And it's displayed as a bold font. Next is the I tag. I tags. Same as the B tags. It's enhanced without conveying extra importance. But when in this one, it's used as an displayed as an italic font. Now the other two, you know, they're a bit different than this one. But the only same thing is that this is also displayed as a bold font and this as an italic font. Now let's test it out. Let's see how it appears on our web page. And then, it should be on the P tag, para tag. No, I'm just gonna put any type of text. No, you don't have to put what I put. You guys can put whatever you want. Caution. Versus save this. Yeah, save it again. It's a case. Yeah. Now let's run it. Yeah, there you go. So caution is bold. You see the B tag. Hold on. Yeah, caution is bold with B tag and horses. It's in italic. The I tag. Tags. Now, then there's the strong tags and the EM tags. Now, it's basically the same thing. That one of them's bold, the other one's italic. Except that you should use this more often in your websites. Was that reasons that? It's because is that these two tags, what do we call it? The two types of tags. They describe the importance of their content relative to surrounding text and let the browser choose how it should be presented. And you also that these tags are more relevant to suggest how the narrator should convey their content vocally. So yeah, you could still use the B tags and the I tags in your websites, but it's highly recommended you use these two. So yeah, let's write something here. But are you ready? Yeah, are you ready? Are you ready? A new show is coming. New show is coming. Well, it's gonna take some time, but let me just stop running this. A new show is coming. Coming this. Let's see. I like this more. This spring, because I like spring. Yeah, this spring. What show do I like? Courage, like Cowardly Dog. Yeah, why not? One of my childhood shows. So, about a dog named Courage. This this dog. Watch out. Shout. This dog is not is, is not that we and union to see see this. Okay. Now let's run this. Okay. So yeah, the paragraph element, the P element, the P tags. You have the strong, bold, are you ready? And then the regular P sentence. Then you have a strong again, courage the cowardly dog. Oops. Yeah, there. Strong. Here it is, courage the cowardly dog. Again, it's bold. And you have and the regular P tag, courage, my dog need courage. Then again, strong. Watch out, this dog is not that weak. And yeah, so yeah, that's basically the strong element. You know, it's like the not the strong element, but the strong tags. It's basically like the B tags. You make the font bold. Now for the other one, which is the EM tags. Let's write something here. No, let's make another P tag. Now let's write something. Tigers. Uh, and I copy paste since I'm too lazy to type. Tigers. Uh, yeah, let's run this. Yeah, there you have it. The EM tags, basically like the I tags, displays it in italics, like EM tigers. Again, here between ER, then EM in between tough period. So yeah, it's all about it's all today. This is video today. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.